Collection's annual party. If you're here, you have a wristband on. That means you are contributing to what we're doing, and we appreciate that. If you don't have a wristband, please come to the registration tent.
Are you mentioning how much it is?
Your wristband.
No.
You should have signed up early, but if you didn't, you can still come pay and get a wristband. That entitles you to the food, the drinks, and oh, by the way, we have a silent auction going on over here to the right of the circle, which has a lot of unique items in the silent auction, and it's been going on now. I think they opened it up last night. You need to open your phone up, turn to camera, go up to the app or the QC logo that's on the door. That will load the app in your phone, and you can bid on the items in the silent auction. And you don't, once you've gone in and looked at them, and that's what you want to bid on, if somebody outbids you, you can rebid while you're out here looking at the cars, listening to the entertainment that's going on here, and stay in touch with some of these unique items. There's a jacket in there that's looks like a vintage Cobra race jacket. Don't know if it is or not, but the bids are on there. You can see where you need to go with it once you get online. If you have trouble doing that and you're handicapped on your phone like I am, there's ladies in there that will help you, guide you, get you to where you need to be.
Another Ford GT.
On these items. These items help the collection. We appreciate your support. Everybody here that you see with the blue wristband on, they are supporters, and that is you. If you have a blue wristband on, you are a supporter of the Shelby American Collection, and we really appreciate it. That's how we're able to stay and function throughout the year, is this annual party. The guys in the orange hats, you saw those parking cars. Did they do it?
Two more Ford GTs right here. Damn, look at that.
They have managed to park and give you photo opportunities of a lifetime. Take advantage of it. Get your cell phones out. Get your cameras out. Take these pictures. You may not ever see this again. If you've got a poster up at registration, there's a lot of celebrities out here, folks, and they would probably be more than happy to sign your poster as a collector item. It's a commemorative poster for the annual party here.
Raptor's sick.
And of course, you heard Aaron Shelby, Gary Patterson, Tracy Smith,
A lot of Mustangs, of
Alan Grant, Tom Yeager, Jim
wide variety of variants.
All these folks are here for you. And for you to talk to and enjoy the stories.
Pretty cool show. It's way better than last year's. Last year's was pretty bad. Not bad, but way less cars last year. Thor's. Interesting. Skyardo's so clean. So yeah, we got like 8 or 9 Ford GTs total. I mean, this is pretty nuts. There's the raffle car. It's my first show back since Car Week, and I'm actually enjoying it, so gives you an idea of how good the lineup is. Alright, music's coming back on, so I'm going to be quick. All the Cobras, and yeah, Muffs Ford GT,
Test 1 2, test 1 2.
Special Edition Vet, Rapide, Camaro. Hanaz. And then down here, we got Jay's Ford GT. There it is. This thing has less than 1,000 miles on it from new. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, it was good. It was fun. Yeah, I'll just eat when I get there. Alright guys, that is it for the Shelby show. Talked to the owner of one of the new Ford GTs and they were really cool. Should be seeing a little more of that car in the future. Yeah, 5 new Ford GTs. That's pretty good for Colorado, I would say. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go home and eat because I haven't had dinner and I'm starving. Yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching. I know it's really dark, so sorry about that, but it's like 8 o'clock. I will probably not see you guys until, I don't know, Lafayette, something like that. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, Thanks for watching. Bye.